In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a YouTube Kids account. First, you want to go to Google and look up YouTube Kids. Then click the first link. It should be youtubekids.com. Then just click the profile icon. Then click Get Started. Click Next. Enter the year you were born. Watch the quick video. Then click Next. Then add a new account. And then sign in with your actual email. For this video, I'm just going to be using this one. Once I'm here, just go all the way down. Then click Next. Sign in with your email. Then you're going to want to create a profile for your kid. My first kid is going to be named Ascended, and he is going to have the age of 5 years old. His birth month will be June, and that is what he looks like right here. Now I'm just going to be creating it, and you can select whatever type of content settings you want, but since he is 5, I'm just going to be doing younger, and next, and then I'm going to turn on search. There we go. Now my son named Ascended will be able to actually have his own account and watch whatever he wants on YouTube Kids. Of course, since my son is going to be goated, he's going to be watching SpongeBob the entire time. If this video helped you, subscribe.